Guys, over here. Here's a unique deal. This big Welding vise is mounted on this big steel piece right here, this steel drum, and it's welded to a 6 by 7 foot big plate of steel underneath it, along with this right here. This here is welded to it. This is a welding standard one. This is 30 inches by 2 foot. This welding vise will go out so far. I'll show you here. Close it in there like this. This is a dandy vise now. Keep going. This right here, you want, you can put you another piece on that jaw, but it still clamp up and do nice. It's also spins on here. It's got a swivel base on it here. Probably needs oiling, but this is, I've never seen nothing like it. This is heavy, heavy steel this thing's bolted to. You can take your, if you want to put this on a wagon, you can have your portable shop any place you wanted one. This thing will go out over 15 inches. Crank her back in now. And it's not going to fall over you with you because it's mounted on a stand here that the stand's like 17, 18 inch diameter right here. Don't be afraid to bid on this now because you will have something when you get home. If you want, you can take it off and put that on your vise, on your stand at home. I've never seen a vise that big. Again, right here, made by Welding. There's all your numbers. Made in Illinois. Keep her going. There you can see where she screws right on in the end, guys. Tighten her down. That's good. They're a good one now.